Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Chapter Chatter. So if you are new to my channel, I create videos related to bookish things, movies, web series and all. So if you're pretty interested to it, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family so that we can always move on as a family, right? Yeah. So in today's video, I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, and yeah, I'll be trying to catch up with you guys as soon as possible. So make sure that you are subscribed and click the notification bell so that you can get a notification when I upload my next video. So I know in today's video we are gonna be talking about something that I wanted to be talking to you guys for a long time, because you guys all know that how much I love Harry Potter, how much we all love Harry Potter. So in today's video we'll be talking about 5 things the HP world taught us. So it's not like I'm the first one to do it or something. Every single booktubers have done this video. But from my perspective, there are a lot more another things which I have to tell you guys. And if you guys find my videos informative, or if I can inspire you to read books, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll be leaving the name or user ID in the description box. So let's get in the video. So the first thing Harry Potter taught us is to be with our loved ones no matter what the situation is. So we all know there are all these friendship relationships, and what kind? The teacher student relationship, mother father, like parental relationship, other like teenage relationships, friendships. Oh my god, there are a lot of things inside this Harry Potter portion, let us say. So there are a lot of things that they taught us. So first of all, Fred and George, what did they taught us? They were like, okay, they're twins, they're siblings, they have been in their life, they've always been together. And even though something happened at the end, which I really don't want to talk about, we still think that Fred and George is still together. They will always be, right? They're always together. And like that, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley and Hermione, they're always together. Hermione and Ron, Harry and Ginny, McGonagall and Harry, Dumbledore and Harry, Severus Snape and Harry. See, there are all these relationships going, even though Severus Snape and Harry, we have never seen them being together. They're not that friendly. At the same time, Severus Snape is kind of an evil character given in the first few books, right? But even though there is a very well built relationship going on between them. So what do you think is the reason between or behind it? It's that there is a strong relationship built in between them, and that their loved ones, they will never leave them no matter what the situation is. Right, so that is what is important in it. So the first thing that HP World taught us is to be with our loved ones no matter what the situation is. So the second thing, this is a little bit special. The thing is that maybe some people will seem they're comfortable, they're okay, they're okay with their life, but there's a lot going on behind their lives. The very big example, and the only example, is Dobby and Winky's story. So all these people, including Harry Potter, except Hermione, believed that this Dobby and all these elves, house elves, they were happy with what they're doing. They were comfortable, and they will be only be happy if they do that. But was it true? When Hermione took a part in finding what their lives were, we realized that it's not that easy, and they are never comfortable with what they were like stereotyped that they should do it. So they're happy. It's not we can really understand it from Winky's character, because Winky always says that she have to do it, Even Dobby was, mentally making her realize that the world reality is not what they have been experiencing. So that is a very big thing Harry Potter world taught us, that just because someone seems to be happy doesn't really mean that they are really happy and comfortable with what they are going through. So the third thing that the HP world taught us is that some relations are meant to be together even though we are not from the blood relation. So this is something that we mostly every time we hear this in memes, social media and all. But this is something very special in Harry Potter. Harry lost his mother at the age of 1. He lost Lily. But did it really happen to him? He had these old people giving him mother's love all around the story. the main person, McGonagall. She was with him every single time. And then we have Ron's mother. Oh my god, I love her. And then Draco Malfoy's mother, yeah, a bit crucial at the last scenes, last movie chapters and last book chapters and all. We can really see Draco Malfoy's mom, Narcissa, giving this extremely good care to Harry. Not purposefully, we can really see it in her character and gestures. So I really think that she also took a really part in taking care of Harry. Next, the fourth thing, something really important that Harry Potter world taught us is that what more to think? Just keep moving on, whatever happens. So, in the first book, Philosopher's Stone, Harry went through a lot. He would have stopped from it and sit in the class, study, and all. But did he stop? After all that he's been through, he just went through this journey, and at last, what happened? Harry got what he wanted. He found who he is. So it's not like we just can't sit and think, oh my god, my life is going through a lot of trouble. No, we should just move on. So this is something really important. We should take it as a life lesson that Harry Potter world taught us, that whatever happens, we should move on no matter what the situation is. If we have to see a beautiful future, we have to work for it. Just because our present situation doesn't seem that beautiful doesn't mean that the future is going to be ugly. It's going to be amazing. Last but not the least, this is not something that we can really implement in our life, but this is not a lesson also. This is something that I really saw in Harry Potter world. So Harry met Ron in the Hogwarts Express, and we never really knew that they're gonna be friends. Even Harry and Ron didn't knew that they're gonna be this thick friends, right? But even though on the staircase scene when Draco Malfoy asked Harry to be his friends in a very rude manner, he stood with Ron. Even though the right part was with Ron, he stood with him because there is something connected them really badly. So do you know what it is? This is a question mark for you. If you know that what made Harry and Ron to be friends, make sure that you comment below. It will be a really good help that I can see it from many perspectives, right? Make sure you comment below. And yeah, that's it. If you are interested in these kinds of bookworm bookish videos, make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Till then, bye bye.